guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the Live Family. Si c'est la première fois que vous channel là, welcome to the Live Family. Et si vous déjà abonné avec channel là, merci pas oublier pour like, comment and subscribe pour garder plus belle vlog que nous pourrons poster pour nous. You guys, jeudi c'est un vlog. Côté nous va just hang out, you know.
Manger.
Yeah.
Nous allons nous parler dans Panda Express. Nous allons manger pour nous relax dehors. Et nous chita dehors. Parce que quand il y a weather bon, il va faire trop froid, il va faire trop chalet.
Yeah.
California weather in between, bon bagay net.
Bon bagay net, you guys, nous avons travaillé all day, nous faisons fin travail, ce qu'on a nous dit, nous fait un petit vlog pour nous. So, maintenant nous avons nous parler dans Panda Express. Nous allons pour nous aller, where we going?
Panda, nous allons passer dans grocery outlet. Nous allons passer dans Ross parce que nous avons l'autre bail pour nous acheter pour wrap gift pour petit bébé. Hein?
Oh, yeah, you're right. So, the message of it c'est fait Aries apke. Anna.
Yeah! Anna! 1 year old, Aries.
Aries pas même bien nous again mine.
Aries a drop on toy.
Yeah, but Aries pas again. Anna, nous allons pour nous aller dans Dollar Tree. Pour nous acheter quelques wrapping paper, pour nous wrap un peu cadeau que nous acheter pour lui. And nous avons also pumpkin que nous avons acheté, nous pas déjà eu une chance pour nous décorer ensemble avec. So nous avons fait ça avec like an activity pour nous you know have something to do avec pour nous gagner memory like pendant la quand parce que ça c'est premier Halloween pendant qu'elle gagne.
Yeah, parce que l'autre Halloween là, il était fait, mais il était un petit bébé, pas quand même vieux et cool. Il va connaître ça qui passe.
Il était quelques jours.
Like,
oh,
4 jours,
yeah, on 4-5, wait, is it?
Je ne sais pas,
a week, I think it again, on semaine, yeah, on semaine, il était just fait, and then il était Halloween. So, tomorrow, c'est fait, li, n'a trying to faire un bagage special pour lui. But, like nous dit nous guys, Aries, là nous vlog un bagage pour Aries, na channel Aries là, so na mette link là below. Ou bien na mette page là, côté nous ka just subscribe to Aries channel et nous ka wè que channel grandi. But remember, que nous dit nous que channel Aries là c'est en anglais lié.
Yeah, si nous pas parler anglais, nous still comprendre même si nous pas parler anglais.
N'a fait quelques petits parties que nous ka mette dans vlog ça pour nous because n'a share lien ensemble avec nous. But c'est jour par Aries, c'est moment Aries, like just na channel parle pour gagner as a memory parce que après tout bagage na kala pour na parler ben la première lumière. You guys, pour y a Aries tellement grand, Aries ka moyen lumière.
Il cale étel lumière,
il ka moyen l'autre bagage, il ka aller les moun na téléphone, Aries ka couvert TV, fermer TV, listen.
Aries, quand il a devenu n'a regarder TV, Aries par exemple ça n'a regarder si bot la sous canapé il juste ouais bah la change pas comme pour ça Aries ou bien il est en TV.
Yeah.
C'est ça le fait.
Il passe sur ça. But c'est ça qu'on va faire pour aujourd'hui. On a juste un petit chill, hang out. Nous connaissons pas le soleil dehors, it's night time. But you know, nous faisons ça, nous supposons faire. So, nous vlog pour nous, you guys. Remember about video,
like, subscribe, comment,
you know, share our videos.
Nous connaissons nous faire bel petit vlog pour nous, you know, bel live. Toujours, nous connaissons ça. Nous ça nous fait. On arrive à regular vlog, you know, petit vlog. So, subscribe, comment,
all that good stuff.
Abonnez. Faites toute belle
abonnez à la chaîne là, you guys. Abonnez. On try pour grandir. Nous connaissons next year qu'à arriver. Nous déjà arrivé à 1K abonnés. Nous disons merci avec tout le monde.
Merci.
Who like, who subscribe, who share.
Nous allons
arriver à 5K si nous capables. So, nous try pour consistent pour nous poster en pile que nous capables. So, you guys, nous recevons à 1K. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, guys.
Everyone. Nous shout out to everyone.
Okay,
so way! Not mette confetti. So thank you guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let nous arriver dans 5K na fait un cadeau un bel bagage. Na 5K, but
so you guys, make sure you help us.
Yeah.
Share the videos.
Subscriber.
Like,
let nous arriver 5K, yon subscriber nous on ça na fait ben na fait yon nan yo cadeau ba ou bien demo. Na fait
actually demo.
Na fait demo cadeau on bel cadeau.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you guys, c'est ça on va le faire kounya. On get ready, on aller na On a mangé avant, because
Yeah,
I'm hungry.
you
Let me go and pas fonctionner.
Yeah,
So, on fait ça, and then...
Lè nou fin manje, nap wale nan store yo, apre sa, nou ka, lè nou vine la kay nou bak, nou pal pentire pumpkin yo, you know, pumpkin yo nou t'achete, jou mou.
Yeah, que nous t'acheter dans le dernier vlog que nous t'ai
Ave
gardé.
Eris, bel ti ba ay boli.
Guys, si nou pou gade vlog, avant vlog sa, que nous t'ai allé dans pumpkin patch la, que nous t'ai
Vlog sa
choisi
kan
pumpkin
TV
na. Kampe video sa,
Yeah.
I got a lot video
Video sa.
and then vin na video sa, okay?
Yeah.
It's the tunes on the beat. It's such a left here. Yeah. Your life is a beautiful thing. When you look at me, you see the sight of a young black king. Beside me is a young black queen, and she really knows how I feel. Yeah. So life is a beautiful thing, and I feel tough and high energy. Never doubt when you ask about me. And I tell my pagans, alright, when I give them, but do it, they blow their mind. You know they can't see me outside. When I give them, but do it, they blow their mind. You know they can't see me outside. When I give them, but do it, they blow their mind. You know they can't see me outside. Oh.
Look at my food. Take a look. Hold on, I'm gonna give you some, okay? My bowl. What am I getting now? What about that? Tasty thing.
Manger pamna is also good too, because I got a teriyaki chicken avec un bourbon chicken and fried rice.
That sounds good.
Oh, and you guys, m'acheter un egg roll too, so that.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Vai sabo? Okay. Eres, kote manje po?
Là, ben, manger pas nous. Yeah, what is it? Yeah.
Yeah, eat with dada, okay?
Bon, moi, si Eris ka manger nan, ak fouchet sa. Eris, fou bouchou.
It's like, ew.
Quoi, par exemple, women? It's good? You like it? You like it? Is it good?
Not bush hair is like all over her face.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right, let's eat. Hey guys, nou fek soti an na Panda Express la, nou sot manje. Kounye la nou gen pou nou ale na... Nap chache yo... Kounye wale bay sa? O Dollar Tree, paske nou gen pou nou fe onti aktivite avek Eris. Nou sonje pumpkin nan ke nou te achete ya, nou pot ko jam gen chans pou nou pentire la avek Eris. So nap wale fe sa. But fa nou chache on Dollar Tree, paske Dollar Tree an ap ka jen penti, cause nou bezon penti ki washable, ke ou ka lave lo fin use li. E pa penti tako ki
Permanent.
Kole sou afe nou ene li pa ka soti. So e sa nap chache. Bakon se nap wajon nan Dollar Tree ya. Cause bakon, ou konon ba sa nan Dollar Tree?
Bakon but mkwe nou ka jen ni nan Michael's. Yeah?
Yeah, ou konen Michael's
Michael's yon stock ki
Arts and Crafts.
De gen tout bay pou penti, pou pentire. Se salvan men, but yo ka feme konya la, so.
But mkwe Dollar Tree ta te ka gen. Cause yo van ti bagay Arts and Crafts si bagay sa yo do na
Nan Dollar Tree?
Yeah, mkon we.
Yeah, Dollar Tree ka Bien gen sa yo. Na
Yeah.
pwe pou nou we.
Guys.
Fèk li van nan Ross la e pa ti likidasyon.
You're stupid.
Ross kon monti shop, man.
Look at this bag. This bag is so cute. You know what's that? You know what I'm now, Ross, guys. And I see a lot of things on the Ross la.
Ross
Like
la gen likidasyon.
liquidation.
Likidasyon. Depi
Yo
ou
play
rete
bye.
bon Ross, depi ou moun rete bon Ross, ou met ale nan Ross la, se Ross gen bon bay, likidasyon.
Join boss sa na Ross la, which is good because there is one boss kon sa tout le ma pen. Ouais. Ngen nou tan tet mbaka même. Ooh, let me see.
Sa se teman di, kato
Non,
rache
bezon boss ki di parce que sometimes mgen cheve hard. Like si mba gon boss, you see, that's what I need. You see that?
It's good?
Si mba gon boss, si mba gen yon boss ki di kon sa, i pa pou ete. Evolve Styling Brush Smooth. Bezon sa. Si mde ka joun gel too, ita bon but mba joun gel. Ooh, extra cute. Aris pa pou men sa. Aris pa pou men bagay sa yo because Aris son ti bebe ki pa ka jwe avèk poupe bagay sa yo ki gen cheve cause ou konen lap manje yo. Jeffrey? Yeah, lap manje yo. Zo mbap le bal bagay sa yo pou.
Yeah. But that one is a small one.
You guys know ki jan shopping pou Fet Aris tourne shopping pou kay? Yeah. Aris, buket sino no sta papa about. Don't eat it, mama. Right, got it, Aris. You get me?
You wanna go home? You wanna go with me? We going home? Yes, okay.
So, nou pa de jwen sa nou te vle ya, but nou jwen on bagay penti ki kon sa, ke nou ka use pou nou pentire pumpkin na. And then, nou pran sa pou nou fe pumpkin muffins pita le na fel avek Aris. But mwen pal gade nan Dollar Tree ya pou mwen si mpa jwen penti la dan because mba kwe penti sa ap ka bagay, but nabal try pou mwen en boss la pou mbose tet mwen so nabal we. Le nou ive nan Dollar Tree ya, nap pale ou bien si m jwen penti ya nan Dollar Tree ya, map moutre nou. Nou nan Walmart la, nou pal gade pou nou wè si nou jwen wrapping paper avèk kek lot bagay anko. But you guys, m komanse tired, I'm not gonna lie. Le a komanse ap mash. Oh, Jeff.
Yeah.
Wait, no, this is like for like the cake and stuff.
Oh no, but nou pa fè cupcake, right? Nou pa deja gen bagay
No,
la
talking
sa?
about for Aris tomorrow. Oh no, pon sa. Because we need it for the cupcake thing.
Yeah?
No, the bottom. No. Yeah, for the muffin.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
La console, again, 75, so 75 again. Nous just a fait 6.
Yeah,
Combien
just
nous a
gonna
fait?
faire Aswea with Eris.
Ok. So ça bon. N'a besoin de ça. Combien m'a acheté de ça? M'a acheté, elle dit, m'a acheté 5. What 6 was it, Bobo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll take 6. Come buy vanilla encore.
A few moments later.
Mais pumpkin yo.
Guys, men pumpkin nous t'ai acheté yo.
Yesterday. So, ça m'a fait connaître, avant de commencer même, nous pouvons laver. Yeah, faut nous laver. Parce que c'est sale. So, nous pouvons laver first. So, let me get with the washing.
Ça c'est pumpkin nan que m'a pral faire. M'a pral faire un pumpkin cupcake pour nous qu'à just enjoy pendant n'a fait toutes les activités qu'on a fait. Also guys, j'ai acheté ça pour mettre en dedans bagay cupcake là, but I don't know why. Depuis mettre bagay là en dedans cupcake là, ils gon shape pumpkin, m'bave shape là aller, but also m'bave manger en dedans ça parce que I don't know. But m'a just mettre en dedans. S'il fait shape là, il fait le. S'il pas fait shape là, il just pour nous manger. So that's good. Don't forget to fin là le pumpkin yo.
Yeah, vous pouvez monter ça. Ça fait laver, fin sécher là.
You guys, mais pumpkin.
You senti bon, you clean.
Yeah, il senti bon, oui. Like I swear, il senti bon. It pas just like, you know.
Oh, it smells good.
It smells so good. So, c'est ça n'a pas le faire avec Eris pour activité li. N'a just peinture pied and then nous paste dans ça and then n'a petit dessin pour li là-dedans and then ça Halloween Eris pour 2024 and then next year n'a fait un autre pour la ligue 2 ans. So, première année li a fait Halloween avec nous. So, n'a pas le faire ça. You guys, nous avons moins. Nous avons qu'à faire on the pumpkin nut. Nothing. Press on nails, okay? Thicken that come pour là. Cause let me tell you, ou zong pamna ou la sous 3 semaines, 4 semaines, un mois, whatever longueur ou la sous, ça dépend de est-ce que vous voulez long est-ce que vous voulez zong ou rester pour tout le temps ça, but
But we get what, this semaine et demi? Almost 3 weeks?
yeah, almost 3 semaines que me avec zong moi and
Pas gain yon nou qui décolle.
et me fait un pile travail, me fait un pile vaisseau, me package un pile package, you guys connaissez ça nous fait so and zong moi était bien propre.
To have nails on for 2 weeks. Et puis chaque il achète un zone avant de commencer et business nous. You toujours sorti pendant
Yeah.
la vaisseau, be like ça.
Always, like, n'importe press on nails que m'acheter dans store, Kiss, you know, tout batch yo is not good. But, you know, let me tell you what's good. We're thicken, listen, la preview, la force let me show you guys. You see? Where's on ça? Ça, definitely Christmas, Valentine's Day, New Year's, tout ça yo. Thicken nails, la bon pour I tell you. Look, got it ça. Ouais, get on lot. Design right here. Guys, thicken website la pral ouvert. I'm telling you. Website la pral ouvert soon. Ou ka just aller là dans kounya ou ka mette email ou là dedans pour faire connaître chaque lèk que moi restock zong yo avec chaque lèk que moi fin fait l'huile cheveux yo pour mettre là dedans pour vendre parce que quand on appelle nous demande pour l'huile cheveux yo a tourner back soon just pour que fin fait yo parce que nous connaît amen nous fait tout produit que nous gagne li prend petit temps pour nous faire et nous gagne en pile order so li prend nous en petit temps and faut gon petit patience because n'a vini you see this on l'autre couleur, which is pretty good. I like this one.
That one is fall.
Avec
nice.
ça for the fall. Et ça nous te gain pour fall là, which is so nice. I love this one. Nous tellement aimé ça. Que c'est my favorite. You guys, tablier me dit nous, thicken.com, m'a mettez là bas. Lè nou ouver website la pou lè nou tounen back parce nou gen 6 lot different couleur que nou gen. Nap just mette yo nan website nou an kounya pou nou ka komanse run.
So let me see. So then you go to thicken.com, right? Thicken.com and go look. Pop disappointed. Thicken.com. Bye bye. So before that, tooth nails yo. Anytime she put them on, falls off. But now these things are sticking for 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
Like nice.
Jeff
Nice.
tellement aime zong yo guys.
If I was a girl Simte fee, I would buy one. Definitely.
Achete une mwen.
Bon, get that girl. Okay, compagnie. Et moi, j'ai acheté, just pour un, yeah. Oui, c'est oui.
Ok, you guys. An ap fè ti aktivite nou avèk Eris. Epi tou mè cornbread la ki ma pal fè cupcake la pou mette an ba fou apre an ap fè sa. So na pal fè sa.
What's
pou
the
nou
brand of this? Like, by what?
Martha White.
Okay.
Martha White, yeah, it's a cornbread. It's on cornbread, but ou ka fè cornbread la avèl ou bien ou ka fè cupcake la. Moi jis vle cupcake la pou nou manje. Cause EPT and Eris ka manje l tou. So that's when I fell on form the cupcake. So, an fè sa you guys avè nou, okay? Okay. Ou pa nan avè zè. Yeah. Okay,
Carton of eggs there? They got eggs in it?
it's done.
It's empty? That one, I see that?
Yeah.
Oh, you put them in here?
Yeah, I put them in here. I think I have one more left in there too, so.
Oh, okay.
I have that, this, milk,
Let me see.
what,
This milk?
yeah, that milk.
Milk sa. See. What else? These to the side here.
Anti-l'huile, moi, there's anti-l'huile.
L'huile?
Ah, I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. Ba kon sa man fè non, si se mwen ki fè ou pa mwen. Mwen de sa yi gade pou mwen.
Ça y est là.
Cupcake yo.
Cupcake là.
Yeah, si se mwen ki fè cupcake yo pa bon.
But ou ka just li instruction, an la do ki sa pou fè.
Yeah, yeah.
I think ou ta supposed fè cupcake là pou ma fè res bagay yo.
Nah, yi pa bon.
Jeff, i do la. I do.
Même si ça...
I do 1.5 cup of milk.
Ou mwen fè. Mwen fè. Si mwen fè ba la bo, nan pa yi diye mwen ki gade cupcake la.
Yo kapal gati.
Eris a fache,
Yeah.
pito ou mwen fè.
Bon, nou pa mene Eris closer so she could see. Go get Eris.
Mwen fè Eris.
Why you leave her?
Eris, tu lè mwen gade cupcake la? Let's go watch.
Eris, mommy making you cupcake and you don't watch it? Eris, Isabelle. Mommy's making you a cupcake, okay? You want a cupcake? A cornbread cupcake?
Mr. Monkey.
Eris. You like the monkey? Yeah!
That's mine, that's it. Quick. Okay, so that's that. 1.5 cup of milk.
Tombe?
Taking out of the tombe.
Okay. You gonna put them away?
Yeah, right here. Get here.
Vous voulez monter sur Island là? Ouais, des autres, ils veulent monter sur Island là. Avec des autres. Quand c'est petit.
1 cup.
1 cup. Ooh, look, Eris, look. Got it. There's your bag.
Anyways, you smell it? Anyways, Harry, look. Look, we're gonna make a cornbread cupcake, okay? What's that not for Harry's life?
Again.
Just to make clarity.
Oh, ouais, mais
Ok, ça c'est ça. On va mettre les essence. I gotta put a little bit of white essence and a little bit of black one.
Essence.
Yeah, because you're gonna put with the essence. Otherwise, it can't smell good.
Après ça, qui ça ou gen pou fon kon? Lò fin fè sa.
Just mette ça.
No. Ooh, it smells good. Senti bon.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ba la gen sa senti bon, yon wè mwen rentre nan fwa. Mwen devou wè mwen senti
Oh,
ba
mette
gen sa.
fwa nan 450.
Oh, 450?
Yeah.
Eris, an ouvre oven nan. Oven. We're gonna bake.
I think it says bake at
we
400
don't know.
for 17 to 22 minutes.
422 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Moi, je
422.
français.
422 Fahrenheit. And then how many minutes?
422 for, I think it's at 17 to 22 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna put 22 minutes. That's done, man. Got a TV? You wanna go watch TV? I'm gonna put 22 minutes. 22. Okay.
22 minutes.
Set.
And then
Start.
yeah. And for me, mette bagay sa yo hot. First. Pan yo.
Keep
Sa.
For no get kisa? Chop no get?
It gotta be hot.
Oh,
You
put
know?
it in there?
Not just mette London sa. It's okay. You wash it, right?
Yeah, I'm washing again.
Okay.
You gotta
We gotta put it in there and sun let it again. Sun let.
You sure?
Yeah, you should. And for the napkin side, let's just feel like I love it airs. Okay, Aries, come. Let's try pumpkin. Put that back in the freezer. Baking.
Okay. Back in the fridge là.
Quand on va le faire pink là.
Donc, on va faire pour nous faire pink là qu'on est avec Eris.
Aries.
Eris, come on now.
What Aries have women pink là?
Eris.
My booby.
Eris, on va
My
wipe
booby.
here. Eris, on va wipe here. That way, we're gonna do what?
Yeah, I guess. We could do, you want to do it a bunch of colors or what?
Yeah, we could do different colors. White and orange. I don't know. Orange cannot go.
Just,
White
if they
and
ghost,
red.
then they gotta be white.
Yeah, it gotta be white.
Yeah, it is.
So we're just gonna put it bottom of her feet?
We have to,
apply?
and then stick her feet.
So, nou pwè yon penti an la, penti nou t'achete an, epi mette nan bottom of her feet.
Yeah.
Mwa pase nou bi pou.
Yeah, I would say people who look out it. Aries, look. You see that? Do you see this? Look. Wow. Look. Look.
Se den mwen yap gade Miss Rachel at bo a do. Eris, look,
Aries.
Look,
Look, try doing this by yourself. You want to try doing one by yourself?
Eris, papa yon fè sa. Ain't no way.
Here.
Eris ka yon bwe ba la.
Keep up with. Look, try it. You do it with mommy. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Look. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Wow, you guys. Look, try it. Ooh.
One more?
Good job, Aries. Mwen get an fin mette bagay yo an dan sa, so mwen pal mette yon ba fwa, cause m deja konsantli en yi senti bon. So, na pal we.
Yeah. Careful.
Put it for 20 minutes.
Put flags. Just type it in. Start it.
What they said? Well, 420?
425. 425, yeah. Ou mette oven nan 475 degré.
So, an fè pumpkin nan pandan na fè sa, just so pou our Aries al dormi.
So sa nan bay fè. Nan bay map kebe, ou mette yon bapye, bi nan tape, vire, tape.
Yeah, okay. An fè sa.
Alright.
Let me see. But I see some washable, like a water-based paint. Let me see some. okay. I'll just quickly wash it off her feet.
It smell bad?
No, it smells like a...
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna get her now. So not for a finger, or should I do it with my finger? Because you have nails.
Maybe you should do it with your finger.
Yeah.
Okay, Bill, and then...
Kimberly, let me tap it. Right.
Come here. Come over here. You come here. You come here and do activities with mommy and dada. You come over here and sit down.
Eris Bumpio, s'il vous plaît. Okay. Hey. No, pas que I'm happy,
Look, let dada put it under your tippy toe, okay? I mean, look. Pas mettre le bas tout pied.
No, for mettez, ouvre le mettez just comme ça.
No, en bas tout pied so we could plaque pied en bas.
Did you
okay.
just say pas mettez and then you mettez encore?
No. Make it en bas tout pied, like her toes and everything, just so we could do a footprint.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
But you gotta hurry. Because they say it dries quick.
No, it's not dry.
I mean, what is that? More. Just keep doing it. Wait, I think it's supposed to be upside down. Like her toes supposed to be upside down. Like.
Like this?
Yes.
Oh, everything. What?
Eris, wait, you gotta add one thing. Hurry, John. Hurry.
Eris! This is what I got to poke. You're gonna dirty the counter.
Oh, it's okay, because look, I just flipped pumpkin now.
Yeah. We'll flip it. Or maybe we should put the pumpkin upside down right now. And then flip it upside right. What?
Okay.
Eris? Okay.
Yeah, so, I don't know si yo ka we, but ça ressemble on zombie. This one. Vous mettez moustache?
Yeah, m'a fait bouche pour lui. M'a fait dent. Oh, vous me virer?
Eris, est-ce qu'on finit avec manger pour elle, hein? Oh, be careful. Est-ce qu'on finit avec your project? You're not finished.
M'a fait bouche avec dent pour zombie, hein?
Est-ce que what ça daddy do? What
Yeah.
did you see? Eris, you see that? Oh, don't touch that. Just look, Mama, look. You see that
What's
do
that?
a ghost? Did that do a ghost? Say, ooh, say, what is that?
O cotão, o bagulho assim da atriz. Olha o bagulho.
Yeah, to see it? No,
Merci.
No.
Merci, Tibiti.
No. Et maman qui fait belle tige le bois pour
Ouais.
maman pas artiste.
Ouais. Regardez Eris. Regardez Eris.
Eris on fake. Yeah, I know. On fake oui, Eris. Bet ba sa maman fait pour ou dit dada artiste, maman pas artiste.
She fâché en pile. Ouais, monsieur scary. Ouais, ça? Belle bye.
Somewhere.
The feeling is heavy. I can't hold it no more. But I have to step my heavy. But what?
Yay.
So, moi même
Eris
c'est.
2024. Belle petit bagay, oui.
That's bad. It's still wet.
Yeah. Fantastic dry pour nous voir exactly qui j'ensemble. But it looks so nice, you guys. Like, when a petit pied le petit, so m'a pensé il t'a sorti belle, but il sorti belle, il pas mal.
Pas mal.
Yeah.
Moi même. But bad. Next year when it be a pigo.
Yeah, next year pied la pigo, but nous capable faire design ça next year.
Yeah, not a lot.
Yeah.
But il pas mal.
Eris 2024.
Eris 2024. See.
You guys, konya la, nou fin fè tout bagay. Nou pal gade yon Halloween movie, a scary movie. Well, on cartoon, nou pal gade avèk Aries.
Yo, our Halloween themed cartoon. Look
Yeah.
at this. Okay, so somebody not put pineapple or not?
Pineapple?
The bake.
Yeah, you can take it.
Yeah, we're gonna put bake on. Okay. Bye. Who make the paint love money, please? Get the paint love money. Okay, so let me get one of them little plates. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat them all. Aries, oh look, you can better shape like.
Oh, you fell, right?
Yeah, you better shape like. Guys, got it. Let me show them now.
It look like a
Ooh, it tastes
it's
good.
something on pumpkin.
I know that's supposed to be please.
I'm going Lord.
Blood kisser.
On Lord,
Battery?
battery, yeah.
Oh, battery. Okay.
Yeah,
got
because
more
it's
battery.
only 0.6.
Oh my god, bags are bon. Nah, get another little plate, 3 plates. One for me,
For
one
Aries?
for Aries, yeah. Buy it on bon. This it tastes so good. Aries, ndaba buy Aries day. Ndaba de pour chaque monde qui on sell ma buy Aries parce que
Non, on sait pour lui.
yeah, me buy là. So guys, nous pas manger de ça. Oh, ça pour Vichy, ça pour moi non. Moi oui, je ne peux pas buy.
Wait, what?
Yeah, my but last time I watched him, they can manger tout d'abord too. Okay.
I have another one.
Yeah, we now by fair people, please.
Tomorrow, we'll make another one tomorrow.
Yeah, so connais nous grand goût, nous wesh nous tap manger de bon petit manger ça là. Anyway guys, that's it for the vlog.
Yeah, that's it for the vlog, you guys. C'est ça nous fait faire avec Aries pour aujourd'hui. Nous allons regarder un scary movie and then well, pas scary parce que nous pas faire Aries pair, but you know, on va qui baby friendly que nous regarder ensemble like tout en famille. So on va faire ça and then yeah, on va dormir tomorrow. C'est Aries birthday and give him a little bit bonnet because nous on va qui me faire pour lui. So yeah.
Now we're new on the next one.
On the next vlog, you guys. Peace.